There are so many nail art tools, but today we don't need them. I will show you how to create 5 beautiful designs using items available at home like toothpick or hairpin. First design. So let's get started. In this video, I will also tell you that how you can thin or dilute oil nail polish at home, so stay connected till the end. You can try any of these designs at home without spending money at salons. You can simply use household items to do nail art without using nail art tools. Apply dots all around the heart using hairpin. Second design. Blend the dots using toothpick. Third design. Fourth design. Blend or mix it using a toothpick. Marble effect design is produced. Sixth design. Use toothpick or hairpin to make an outline with dark color outside the design. How to thin old nail polish at home. Use acetone or nail polish remover to thin the polish. You can also thin it by putting the nail polish bottle in hot water for 2 minutes, or by using a nail polish thinner.